Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you through how to emote in Skate. These character expressions are incredibly handy for adding personality to your gameplay and interacting with others in the game. The process is straightforward and takes only seconds to master, so let's dive right in. First things first, to access the emote system in Skate, you'll need to press and hold the LB button on your controller. This serves as the modifier key that tells the game you want to perform an expression rather than a skating trick. While continuing to hold LB, you'll now use the D-pad to select your desired emote. Each direction on the D-pad corresponds to a different expression. Looking to give a friendly greeting? Simply press the D-pad right for the Hey emote. If you're feeling celebratory, press the D-pad left to trigger the cheer up expression. Need to express uncertainty or indifference? The D-pad down will activate the shrug emote. The D-pad up is also available for an additional expression option. Once you've made your selection using the D-pad while still holding LB, you can release the buttons to perform the selected emote. Your character will immediately execute the expression you've chosen. It's important to remember that timing matters in social situations within the game, so selecting the right emote at the appropriate moment can enhance your gameplay experience. Make sure to practice each emote to become familiar with how they look and the best situations to use them. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to express yourself through emotes in Skate. By following these simple steps, you can now communicate with other players without saying a word. If you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.